Who just dropped $15 billion like it's spare change to hijack the future of AI? Meta did, and they may have just leapfrogged OpenAI and Google in the race towards superintelligence. With Scale AI's Alexandr Wang now in their corner, and a secret plan ripped straight from a sci-fi thriller, Meta's surprise play is shaking up the AI world. Will its move pay off? Let's dig in. Meta just made a completely unexpected move by pouring nearly $15 billion into data labeling company Scale AI, securing a 49% share in the company. This deal values Scale AI at $29 billion, but the investment goes further than it seems. Meta also signed a 5-year commercial agreement, which means Scale AI will receive at least $450 million each year from Meta, sustaining Scale AI in the critical years ahead. This decision is seen as Meta's boldest step so far to compete with OpenAI and Google. By becoming a major stakeholder in Scale AI, Meta now has direct access to a key player in the AI data world. Scale AI is known for providing high-quality data labeling services, which are necessary to train large language models and advanced AI systems. As part of the deal, Scale AI's CEO, Alexandr Wang, will now lead Meta's AI strategy, bringing some extra technical muscle into Meta's future plans. Alexandr Wang founded Scale AI at age 19 and became the world's youngest self-made billionaire at age 24. His success is why Meta poached him to oversee a new artificial superintelligence lab of 50 people working to create advanced AI systems that go beyond human cognitive abilities. This move is similar to what happened when Mustafa Suleyman, a co-founder of DeepMind, left Inflection AI to lead Microsoft's consumer AI group. Big AI companies are now hiring the original creators of top AI tools to take charge of their next big projects. Even though Wang is no longer Scale AI's CEO, he will remain on the company's board of directors. Meanwhile, Jason Droge, formerly Scale's strategy leader, will now serve as its CEO. In 2025, Meta reorganized itself internally to create a special lab focused solely on building extremely advanced AI. This lab, called the Superintelligence Group, inside the company, includes about 50 top researchers and engineers, carefully chosen by Mark Zuckerberg himself. Unlike Meta's most well-known AI team, Facebook AI Research, this group has a single goal: developing artificial superintelligence. This means creating an AI that can outperform human beings in all areas, including problem-solving, creativity, and emotional understanding. Meta already has Yann LeCun, the company's chief AI scientist, leading its research group, which will remain separate from the Superintelligence Lab. LeCun is considered one of the godfathers of deep learning and is a winner of the Turing Award, the Nobel Prize equivalent in computer science. While LeCun and Wang will work on separate teams, it's hard not to see them collaborating to turbocharge their respective efforts and enhance Meta's AI posture overall. The Superintelligence Lab's goal is much more than just making artificial general intelligence, or AGI, that can think and learn like humans. Instead, superintelligence will do everything better than all of humanity, regardless of the task. With Alexandr Wang's talent and Meta's resources, Meta has vaulted forward in a head-to-head race with companies like OpenAI and Google DeepMind that have been leading this contest. Scale AI's powerful data labeling and training tools combined with Meta's massive computing power makes this partnership a real contender. Mark Zuckerberg has been looking for a way out of the company's failed metaverse play, and it seems like he just found his solution with Scale AI. Scale AI became successful by supporting nearly all of the major frontier AI companies with data labeling services. But those labs will be wary of working so closely with Scale AI now that it's so tightly linked with Meta. OpenAI in particular has been very forward-thinking in reducing its reliance on Scale AI, even shifting away from collaboration with the company several months before Meta officially completed its deal to acquire the company. This quiet but clear decision was a sign that OpenAI was making a strategic change to preserve every possible business advantage. Google also announced it will move away from its work with Scale for the same reason. It's no surprise Google is keeping a close eye on Meta and Scale AI's partnership. Meta's added strength means Google DeepMind and its main AI model, Gemini, will face even stronger competition following Meta's recent progress in natural language understanding, image recognition, and deep learning. Gemini is meant to compete with OpenAI's ChatGPT models, but now it must also keep up with Meta's fast growth in this space, particularly via the company's open-source model, Llama. Both Google and Meta have plenty of data, talented engineers, and computing power, so one of the major open questions is which company's ecosystem is better positioned to take advantage of AI. Is it Google, with its numerous built-in apps like Gmail, Android, Maps, Photos, and more? Or Meta, with Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp? Both companies want to own the digital infrastructure on top of which future AI development will live. It's still early days, but Meta just made things a lot more interesting. A major part of that digital infrastructure is Scale AI's massive collection of carefully labeled data and its system for organizing it. This data includes text, images, videos, and sensor information, making Scale AI a key part of how AI systems are trained. The company uses a global network of people to label data, which brings in both large amounts of information and a wide range of data types. This variety is critically important for creating AI models that can work in many different situations. Now that Meta owns 49% of Scale AI, it gets special access to this data system. This gives Meta a major advantage in the race to build advanced AI. But what really matters here isn't just how much data there is, but how detailed and accurate it is. That level of precision is crucial for training AI that can understand the world more deeply. While OpenAI and Google's leaders often talk about AGI, Meta is looking even further ahead, focusing on building systems that far exceed human capacity in areas like logic, creativity, and emotional understanding. This new direction could lead to AI that doesn't just think like us, but outperforms us in ways we don't fully understand. This shift brings serious concerns. Meta says it wants to create AI that is safe, ethical, and helpful for everyone, but some experts warn that such rapid development without clear rules could be dangerous. Many believe global rules are needed to guide and control this kind of powerful technology. Frontier AI lab leaders have sometimes voiced this concern themselves, but none of them want to be the first to stop trying to be the leader in advanced AI. And thus, the race towards superintelligence continues unimpeded. So, will Meta's move pay off? It just spent $15 billion to ensure success. But the race towards superintelligence may last a long time, giving room for other companies to adjust their strategy. What do you think? Drop a comment, like this video, share it, and subscribe for more.